Hi, welcome to AI Testing with Vijay. So in this video we are going to see the importance of IDE and how we can install the PyCharm IDE in our machine. So before going to what is PyCharm and how it is useful to us, I would like to show you an example why an IDE is required basically for you. So I created two Python files before recording this video. Like one is for I just want to show you hello program, which is a basic program when you start any sort of program, and second one is just like adding in numbers to one variable and printing it on the terminal. So this is what I was about to do. And see the primary thing that we need to learn from here is, see, if it is just like one line, two line, three line, we can able to edit it. And even if the program, when the size is getting increased, it's difficult to track, difficult to know where the error is, and it's hard to find. So that's why IDs came to existence, where they provide inbuilt tools which will recognize or suggest some sort of whatever, wherever you do small mistakes, or you want to replace this variable with another one. So these kind of utilities they included in that software, and you can create multiple projects, multiple files, multiple folders. You can able to import them, all that stuff you can do. But even when you write on a plain text, it's not an easy job, right? So if it is just one line or three line or four line, it's okay. But what if you have some 15 files? What if you have some 15 folders, and in that you have some 10 files? It's not easy to track, right? And it's not easy to know where the mistake happened, all that stuff, right? So for that, IDs will be helpful. And also if you can execute from here itself, you can customize the text, you can customize so based on your ID, lot of features. So I was very I do programming lot on Visual Studio, but I'm shifting my focus to PyCharm as well, because PyCharm is specific to Python related, and it is having lot of inbuilt tools related to Python. So that's why even I'm trying to shift from Visual Studio to PyCharm by myself. So let's see how PyCharm is working in present. So PyCharm comes with basically two editions. One we call it as a community edition, the second one is a professional edition. Okay, community edition is free and open source, anyone can download and they can use it, and it is perfect for most of the Python projects. But whereas professional edition is something like where you have some extra features compared to the community edition, where lot of web development support is there, and they integrated lot of AI tools today. So that's why professional is like a paid edition and community is like a free edition. So to download PyCharm, you need to go to JetBrains. So you can just copy, I will give this all this in a description. So you just copy the JetBrains, and you can straight away download it here. But somehow when you try to download it from here, they always, you see, they will give you 1 month of a free trial, then it will be charged. So they previously there is a community edition links here, but somehow they removed it. But you just type on Google like PyCharm community edition, then you will be landed in this page. Otherwise I can give you this page as well, and you can download it from here. So there is something like installer.exe, which is a toolbox app web page. If you go there, it will download like this, and you have an option like which you want to install. Okay, whether you want to install PyCharm or whether you install any other related software related to JetBrains. So that is possible. Okay, so when even in PyCharm you see there are something like PyCharm professional, PyCharm community. So we are opting for PyCharm community, right? So I already downloaded this in my local. So let me open it. So once you open it will be there in your downloads. Just click on that. I have other files, so I was not showing that. But when you click on pycharm.exe, the one it is downloaded here, this is the first screen that was landed. Then you can just click on next, and you want to uh, choose a different location. You can able to choose it. As I told, the minimum requirement space, so that you will see it from here itself. So the minimum requirements to work on PyCharm is 3.5 GB of your disk space, which is like SSD or HDD. So this is the minimum requirement. Okay, so to make this software work, you need some 3.5 GB. So that is what it is prompting for, and space available it will show based on your local. So just click on that. You want to create a shortcut, just check mark this. You want to add a variable. Okay, you can add, restart is needed, it doesn't matter. Add a open folder as a project, it's your wish. Create associates.py, so you can able to do that. So click on next, then it will install all the packages that was required to run this particular project. So I'm just pausing till this is getting completed to save your time as well. Yep. So as you can see, this is about to complete. So I just resume my video. So you can check this one, run PyCharm, like it will open right now itself, and you click on finish, then it will open PyCharm for the first time. And you see all the instructions that was required I provided in this particular here. I will provide same instructions in the description. Okay, so we went to the website, then we selected the community, then we downloaded it, then we run the .exe file, then followed the installation wizard, then we choose the installation path. It's optional, you can choose this, create all this stuff we did already, and click on finish and launch PyCharm. This we did, right? So if you are in a Mac, then you can download .dmg file, then you will open that particular file, and it will launch the PyCharm. But as of now my concentration will be on Windows, so I'm just checking on that. So on first launch, select a theme. These are just like a configurations that we can do. So this is your user agreement, like you will not use it for your personals, all that stuff, because community edition is restricted. You can see, so what you want, whether you want community edition or Visual Studio Code, it doesn't matter. Just select, you want to import some settings, then you can able to do it, because since I already have a Visual Studio Code, it will get all the import settings from there, or you had already a community edition, it will import from there. I'm just skipping this. It doesn't make any sense for me. And the first thing that you can do here is you can go to settings. So you can go to settings, you can keep your dark mode or light mode. Some people like dark, some people like light, all that stuff you can able to do it from the settings. That is what we are referring in this particular. But let's see how we can work on project. Now what you do is, like, you can create a new script, or you can create a new project, or you can open the existed one, and you can able to do that. Right now let's see, we will create a new Python brand new project here. So it will be saved in this particular path, or you can even create a Git repository, welcome script, all that stuff. Just ignore. Going forward we will be make using of GitHub, but right now I'm just keeping it as in a local. You want, as you know, in previous video we already saw that when you go to your command line prompt and type where Python, so you know where is your Python install, and you just check whether it is configured to same or not, app data, local. You don't need to create a new environment. So IDE is capable of creating a new environment by itself, right? So I want to make use of single point of contact for every execution, whether I use PyCharm, whether I use Visual Studio, it doesn't matter. I want to use a single um, environment for all my Python execution. So, or you can create your own environment, or you can select the existed environment. So both those, this Python virtual environment will create a virtual environment by using this particular Python version, but just choose custom environment. You want to create a new virtual environment, rerun this. If not, you just select existing environment, type Python, and what is the path? It should be the same as yours, and at last you will see system, okay, which means that it is already there. So right now I just click on create, okay, that's it. So you created your environment, you created, I mean, your IDE is ready. It has certain plugins that has to be configured, so right now it configured, okay. And you want to create a new file, example, this is your project, you want to create a new file, just click on this one, what type of file it is, okay, these options. So when you create in a notepad, you need to create .py files, if it is JSON, .json, .html, all that stuff you need to manage by yourself. But whereas in IDE it will do by itself. Like I click on Python file, what is the name of that Python file? Like suppose first IDE, okay, I gave that simple name, okay. And what's our first program? Like print hello testing with Vijay. So now you wrote your program, you want to execute it, just click on this one, it will execute. Now you can see the output here, right? With IDE, you can see them, you can able to rename it, refactor it, or when it comes to program, you can able to debug it where it went wrong, you can run it, or some sort of refactor is required, all things. Thanks for watching videos. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.